mock caviar recipe without spending big bucks on the actual thing. This black olive caviar bites recipe is a great option to make if you're on a budget. We assure you it's as delicious as the real thing. Make the caviar by adding the black olives, basil leaves, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, garlic, red pepper flakes, and ground black pepper in a bowl. Stir to combine, then set aside. In another bowl, add the hard-cooked egg yolks and mash them using a small spatula. Then, add in the crème fraiche and stir to combine. Season with salt and ground white pepper to taste and stir to combine. Then set aside. On the crostini bread, place roughly 1 tablespoon of the egg mixture, then top it with 1 teaspoon of the black olive caviar mixture. Garnish with chopped parsley before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.